In this video, I want to have a look at algebraic fractions, and specifically looking at multiplying and dividing them. So let's start off with a few multiplication examples. So when we're multiplying fractions, we're just going to multiply the tops and then multiply the bottoms. So in this example, we've got x over 4 times y over 5. So if we multiply our numerators together, x times y, we would just write as xy, and 4 times 5 would give us 20. So that's that first example. Our second one is if we've got m over 7 times m over 3. So again, multiply the numerators. M times m would give us m squared, and 7 times 3 would give us 21. Our third example, we've got 2k over 10 times by 5 over 3k. So if we multiply those together, 2k times 5 would give us 10k, and 10 times 3k would give us 30k. But now we should be able to look at that and recognise that we can simplify that down a little bit. So our k's, because there's one on the top and one on the bottom, they can divide through and they'll cancel each other out. And our 10 and our 30, we can divide both of those by 10. So 10 divided by 10 would give us 1, and 30 divided by 10 would give us 3. So what we've got left then is just 1 over 3. So those are a few examples of multiplying. Let's have a look now at dividing. So our first division question says x over 7 divided by x over 2. Now this isn't necessarily what you first think. We're not just going to divide the numerators and then divide the denominators. What we're going to do instead is we're going to flip this second fraction upside down and we're going to multiply instead. So what's called multiply by the reciprocal. So it's going to be x over 7 times 2 over x. So the division is now a multiplication and this second fraction has flipped upside down. So now we can multiply like we were doing in our other examples. So x times 2 would be 2x, and 7 times x would be 7x. Now we can simplify that as well. So the x on the top and the x on the bottom will divide through, and we'll just end up with an answer of 2 over 7. So we've got one more example. So this example says we've got 3xy divided by 10 divided by 2x squared over 5. So we'll do the same thing. This first fraction will stay the same. It's 3xy over 10. Then we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So we're going to flip this second fraction upside down. So we'll have 5 over 2x squared. So now we can multiply numerators and multiply denominators. So 3xy times 5 would give us 15xy. And 10 times 2x squared would give us 20x squared. Now we need to simplify if we can. So if we look at the numbers first, the 15 and the 20, we can divide both of those by 5. So 15 divided by 5 would give us 3, and 20 divided by 5 would give us 4. And then we've also got x's on the top and the bottom, so we can divide both of them by x. So x divided by x would just leave us with 1. X squared divided by x is just going to leave us with that 1x on the bottom, so we can cross out that squared. So that means our final answer is going to be 3y left on the top. And the bottom, we've got a 4x, so 3y over 4x. So those are a few examples of multiplying and dividing algebraic fractions.